Hello, Velen from UXCam here. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a stability monitoring dashboard in UXCam and why it's one of the most important dashboards you can create. Before we look through the reports in the dashboard, it's important to understand why stability matters. Users frequently uninstall applications that crash or freeze without giving you a second chance. App Store visibility is tied to performance. And on Google Play, if your crash rate is above 1.09% or your ANR rate is above 0.47%, your ranking drops. The very top applications average 99.95% crash-free sessions, which means that if you improve by just 0.1%, this can boost your app rating by around 0.05 stars. This also directly impacts your retention, growth, and app reputation. Now, let's walk through what you'll find in the stability monitoring dashboard. We're going to kick things off with a crash rate report for both platforms, Android and iOS. On the left-hand side, you'll see our crash rate on Android, and on the far right-hand side, we've got our crash rate on iOS, with the overall crash trends for both platforms displayed in the middle. As we start scrolling down, we're going to see the top crashes per platform with the crash exception name and the exact crash count over the last 30 days. Left-hand side is Android, far right side is iOS. And again, in the middle, we've got our crash rate per app version to help us identify the most problematic app versions currently available to our users. As we continue scrolling down, we have a set of reports related to ANRs or UI freezes. We have our ANRs on Android, we have our ANRs on iOS, and we also have the overall ANR trend for iOS and Android over the last 3 months. We've created this report as we believe it is going to equip either your engineering or your development team with all the information they need to make sure that your application is performing well and it is not causing any friction to your users. Now, all of these reports featured in this dashboard are available for you to recreate. You'll find each of them listed below in this article. If you need help setting things up or want to explore other dashboards, feel free to reach out to us at team@uxcam.com. Thank you for watching.